Have you ever wondered what makes millionaires different? Perhaps it's not just about luck or inheritance, but about certain habits they adopt, habits that are not random but are proven strategies towards financial success. Today we will delve into 8 key habits of millionaires. These are practices you can incorporate into your own life for a week and experience firsthand the transformative impact they can have. So, are you ready to uncover these millionaire secrets? The first habit that sets millionaires apart is early rising. This practice gifts them additional hours to strategize, plan, and chase their dreams. It's a precious commodity, time, and they use it wisely. Remember, the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the wealth. The second habit is goal setting. Millionaires understand the power of clear, written goals coupled with a well-crafted plan. This habit forms the compass guiding their actions, keeping them focused and on course. In the words of a millionaire, a goal without a plan is just a wish. The third habit is continuous learning. Successful individuals are perpetual students, constantly devouring books, attending insightful seminars, and pursuing new knowledge. This continuous thirst for learning keeps them ahead, fueling their innovation and adaptability. Remember, knowledge is a wealth that can never be stolen. The fourth habit is networking. This powerful tool unlocks a world of opportunities, and millionaires know its worth. They invest in building strong, meaningful relationships, understanding that these connections often hold the key to success. Remember, your network is your net worth. The fifth habit is health consciousness. Millionaires appreciate their health as their greatest wealth. They recognize that the mind and body must be in peak condition to seize opportunities and face challenges. After all, wealth without health is meaningless. The sixth habit is financial savvy. Millionaires master the art of making their money work for them. They comprehend the nuances of investment, savings, and smart spending. Financial intelligence is key to wealth accumulation and preservation. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. The seventh habit is persistence. Millionaires understand that the road to success is paved with setbacks. They don't bow to failure, instead, they see it as a stepping stone to mastery. Remember, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. The eighth habit is positive mindset. Embracing positivity empowers you to overcome hurdles and magnetize opportunities. Successful individuals trust their capabilities and harness the power of optimism. Remember, your mindset is the compass guiding your journey. Your mindset determines your life set. So, there you have it, the 8 habits of millionaires. Early rising, goal setting, continuous learning, networking, health consciousness, financial savvy, persistence, and a positive mindset. Each habit, a stepping stone on the path to prosperity. Challenge yourself to embrace these habits for just 1 week, and watch the transformation unfold. It's not just about the money, it's about the lifestyle, the mindset, the discipline. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't about luck, it's about adopting the right habits. So why not start today?